See, if y equal to 2 root 2 x plus c is a tangent to the circle x square plus y square equal to 16, find the value of c. You know that before itself condition, it is given in a book itself, condition for the line. What is the line formula? Condition for the line y equal to mx plus c. You know very well, y equal to mx plus c is the equation of the line to be a tangent to the circle, to be a tangent to the circle. What is the formula they have given? What is the condition they have given to the circle? X square plus y square equal to a square. The circle equation is passing through the origin. Okay, x square plus y square equal to a square is, what is that condition they have given? C square equal to a square m square plus a square. Generally, if it is another equation of the ellipse or hyperbola means a square plus a square m square plus b square. Here a square m square plus a square. So what is that a square value? A square equal to 16. Because the equation of the circle x square plus y square equal to 16. Therefore a square value equal to 16. See here, y equal to 2 root 2 x plus c. Y equal to mx plus c. What is the value of m? M equal to 2 root 2. A square value equal to 16. M value equal to 2 root 2. Substitute in this equation and get the value of c. See here, c square equal to a square. A square is nothing but what? 16. A square is 16. 2 root 2. 2 root 2 the whole square. M square is 2 root 2 the whole square plus 16. It gives 16 into 2 square is 4. Root 2 square is 2. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 16. 16 8s are 128. 16 8s are 128 plus 16. C square equal to 144. C square equal to 144. C equal to plus or minus 12. C equal to plus or minus 12, the value of C. See, exercise 5.1, 9th sum. Find the equation of the tangent and normal to the circle. Equation is given. See, you don't memorize the formula. I will tell you the simple way. Equation of the tangent, wherever x comes, x square comes, you change it to x into x1. This is the simple way. Okay, wherever y square comes, you change into y into y1. Whatever sums, x change into x plus x1 by 2. You change y into y plus y1 by 2. Okay, you keep in your mind. You don't memorize the formula. See here, equation of tangent. Equation of tangent to the circle. Equation of tangent to the circle. What is the equation they have given? Straight away you can change and write x square. You change into what? X into x1. Y square you change into y into y1. Minus 6 into x plus x1 by 2. I told you. X means you change into x plus x1 by 2. Plus 6 into y plus y1 by 2. Y plus y1 by 2 minus 8 equal to 0. So, 3 times x x1 plus y y1 minus 3 into x plus x1 minus 3 into x plus x1 plus 3 into y plus y1 minus 8 equal to 0 at point. What is the point they have given? 2, 2. At point they have given us 2, 2, this is x1 and this is y1. x1 and y1, substitute here, x into 2 plus y into 2 minus 3 into x plus 2 plus 3 into y plus 2 minus 8 equal to 0. Minus 8 equal to 0. See, multiply and get the value 2x plus 2y minus 3x minus 6 minus 3x minus 6 plus 3y plus 6 minus 8 equal to 0. See here, 2x minus 3x minus x, 2y plus 3y plus 5y plus 6 minus 6 plus 6 get cancelled, minus 8 equal to 0. Equation of tangent. Equation of tangent to the circle is, you change the sign because minus is there, you change the sign. X minus 5y plus 8 equal to 0. X minus 5y plus 8 equal to 0. Then you move on to equation of normal. See, equation of normal. Equation of normal. Equation of normal, you interchange the coefficient, you can interchange the coefficient. See here, 5, this is 1. So 5x, you interchange the x and y coefficient. 5x, if minus means, you can see the center term, x and y center term. Minus means you put plus. Minus means plus, plus means minus. You don't interchange the sign along with the number. You take the number alone. See, you forgot this one. 5 is the coefficient of y and 1 is the coefficient of x. So, 5x, 1y. That's all. See here. 5 is the, you don't forgot this one. See, 5 is the coefficient of y and 1 is the coefficient of x. Now you interchange the coefficient, you don't take the sign, you take the number alone. 5x, 1y. If it is minus, you can put plus. Plus means you can put minus, plus k equal to 0, some other constant, any other constant, plus k equal to 0. At point they have given, what is the point they have given? 2, 2. At point is 2, 2. So, 5 into 2 plus 2 plus k equal to 0. 10 plus 2 plus k equal to 0. 12 plus k equal to 0. K equal to minus 12. K equal to minus 12. Equation of normal. Equation of tangent is x minus 5y plus 8 equal to 0. Equation of normal. Equation of normal to the circle. To the circle is, what is the value? 5x plus 5x plus y, k value minus 12 equal to 0. 5x plus y minus 12 equal to 0. See the 10th sum, exercise 5.1. Determine whether the point minus 2, 1, 0, 0 lie outside, on or inside the circle, because the value is greater than 0. If you substitute, you get the value is greater than 0. It is the point lies outside the circle. If it is equal to 0, the point lies on the circle. If it is less than 0, the point lies inside the circle. I will take it as first minus 2, 1. What is the equation they have given? X square plus y square minus 5x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0. Substitute here. Substitute the point. See, minus 2 the whole square plus 1 square minus 5 into minus 2 plus 2 into 1 minus 5. Okay. Minus 2 the whole square plus 1 square minus 5 into minus 2 plus 2 into 1 minus 5. What is the value? 4 plus 1 plus 10 plus 2 minus 5. 4 plus 1 5. 15, 16, 17. 17 minus 2. See here. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 10 15. 15 plus 2. 15 plus 2 17. 17 minus 5. 17 minus 5 is 12. 12 is greater than 0. So the point is lies. Therefore the point lies outside the circle. Lies outside the circle. Outside the circle. Next you can take the point 0, 0. So you can substitute all the values are 0. See here 0, 0, 0, 0 except minus 5 is there. So minus 5 less than 0. Minus 5 less than 0. At point 0, 0 minus 5 less than 0. The point lies. The point lies inside the circle. The point lies inside the circle. If it is equal to 0, the point lies on the circle. Okay. Sri, find the center and radius of the given circle. See here, x minus 0 the whole square plus y plus 2 the whole square equal to 0. That is x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. What is the center? What is the center? Center is h comma k. Center is h value x minus 0, y minus of minus 2. Okay, x minus h, y minus k. So center value is 0 comma minus 2. Center is 0 comma minus 2, or otherwise you can take it as a opposite sign. That's all. See, the general equation is x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square. If it is plus 2, you can take it as minus 2. What is the radius? Radius is nothing but 0. See the second sum, third sum, x square plus y square minus x plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. You write the general equation. What is the general equation? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Use substitute. See, you can equate 2g equal to minus 1. You equate the coefficient of x on both the sides. See, 2g equal to minus 1, g equal to minus 1 by 2. The same way you can equate 2f equal to 2, f equal to 1. What is the value of c? c equal to minus 3. 2g equal to minus 1, g equal to minus 1 by 2, 2f equal to 2, f equal to 1, c equal to minus 3. What is the center? Center formula is minus g comma minus f, or h comma k, or minus g comma minus f. G value is minus 1 by 2. Minus into minus become what? 1 by 2. What is the f value? 1. So minus 1. Okay, minus g comma minus f. What is the radius? We should find out the value of radius also. Radius equal to root of, this is the formula for radius, this is the formula for center, minus g comma minus f, radius equal to g square plus f square minus c. G square plus f square minus c, it gives root of g square minus 1 by 2 the whole square, f square plus 1 square minus of minus 3. Minus of minus 3 is root of 1 by 4 plus 1 plus 3. Root of 1 by 4 plus 1 plus 3. See, root of, you can take the LCM 4. Okay, 1 plus 4 plus 4 3s are 12. 1 plus 4 plus 4 3s are 12. So what is the LCM? 12. What is the term? 12 plus 4, 16. 16 plus 1, 17. You can take it from the root 4. It gives 2. What is the center? Center 1 by 2 comma minus 1. What is the radius? Radius equal to root 17 by 2. See, general equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. If it is coefficient there, see the coefficient, you divide the coefficient, see the sum. What is the sum? 2x square plus 2y square minus 6x plus 4y plus 2 equal to 0. When we equate the values for both general equation and the given equation, here x square means it should be like that. So you can divide the coefficient divided by 2. What is the value you are getting? X square plus y square minus 3x. 6 by 2 is minus 3x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. X square plus y square, 6 by 2 is minus 3 plus 4 by 2 is 2 plus 1 equal to 0. So now you can equate the equation. See here, minus 2g equal to minus 3. Equate the coefficient of x. 2g equal to minus 3. 2f equal to, what is the coefficient of y? 2. What is the value of c? c equal to 1. What is the value of c? c equal to 1. g equal to minus 3 by 2. f equal to 1. c equal to 1. So what is the center? What is the formula for the center? Center minus g comma minus f. Center minus g comma minus f. You can take it as the opposite sign. See, minus into minus become plus. So 3 by 2 comma minus 1, because here 1. So minus 1. What is the radius? Radius equal to root of g square plus f square minus c. So it gives root of 3 by 2 the whole square, 3 by 2 the whole square plus minus 1 the whole square minus c. Minus c is nothing but what? Minus 1. So it gives root of 9 by 4 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 get cancel. See here, 3 by 4, 9 by 4 plus 1 minus 1 get cancel. See, you can take it from the square root. 9 is nothing but what? 3. 4 is nothing but what? 2. So this is the radius. Radius equal to 3 by 2 and center equal to 3 by 2 comma minus 1. See, if the equation 3x square plus 3 minus p into xy plus q y square minus 2px minus 8pq equal to 0. Represent a circle. Find the value of P and Q, and you should find out the value of center and radius of the circle also. See here. See, you know the condition. What is the condition? You know the condition of the circle. What is the condition? First one, you can take it as coefficient of xy. Coefficient of xy equal to 0. What is the coefficient of xy, ma? Coefficient of xy is 3 minus p. Coefficient of xy is 3 minus p equal to 0. What is the value of p? Minus p equal to minus 3. P value equal to 3. Next, we should find out the value of q. You know very well, coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square equal to coefficient of y square. What is coefficient of x square here? 3 equal to coefficient of y square q. Therefore, q equal to 3. You know the value, p equal to 3, q equal to 3. Substitute in the equation. What is the equation? 3x square plus 3 minus p value. What is the p value? 3. 3 minus 3 into xy plus 3y square. Okay. Minus 2 into, what is the p value? 3 into x minus 8. Minus 8 into p value. P value is what? 3 into 3 equal to 0. Is it clear? 3x square, 3 minus 3 into xy plus 3y square minus 2 into 3 into x minus 8 into 3 into 3, 8pq. So, what is the equation? 3x square, it becomes 0 plus 3y square minus 6x minus 6x. 3 3s are 9, 9 8s are minus 72 equal to 0. 72 equal to 0. See, 3x square plus 3y square minus 6x minus 72 equal to 0 divided by 3, because I told you general equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So, x square plus y square minus 2x minus 24 equal to 0. Minus 24 equal to 0. What is general equation? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So, equate 2g equal to minus 2, g equal to minus 1, 2g equal to minus 2, g equal to minus 1, 2f equal to 0 because there is no coefficient. So, 2f equal to 0, f equal to 0. What is the value of c? C equal to minus 24. C equal to minus 24. Center minus g comma minus f equal to. Center minus g comma minus f equal to minus into minus become plus 1 comma 0. Center is 1 comma 0. What is the radius? Radius equal to root of g square plus f square minus c. So, it gives root of 1 square. F value is what? 0. Minus of minus 24. It gives root of 1 plus 24. It gives root 25. What is the radius here? Radius equal to 5. Center equal to 1 comma 0 and radius equal to 5 units. You will write 5 units.